Come back to Recycled and Saved. Got a 2014 RMZ 450. Lots of spares and bits. Seats and seat covers, Renthal bars, Mika bars, sprockets, a couple of extra clutch packs because it has the recluse clutch in it. Lots of extra brake pads. Yoshi Exhaust, stock exhaust that was taken off right away, including the header pipes. Aftermarket radiators, really well cared for 2014 bike. The issue, it's got less than 50 hours on the total bike, is because these Suzukis like this tend to be bulletproof. Chain came off, and when the chain came off on them, you can see it destroyed this piece of the case where the clutch actuation arm goes in. So either you're really good with epoxy or something and know what you're going to do to fix that, or it's a case splitting project. RMZ pretty much from 2008 up till 2017 for sure was very similar. The head is the same part number from 2008 to 2017. I know that because I've checked that before. Other parts of the shock, subframe 2013 and 14 are all pretty identical. Lots of great parts here. This bike did have the oil forks on it, not the air bouncers, so that's pretty good. G-force suspension tuned, shock and spring for a 165-pound expert rider. Everything here is going to be good to go. Check our eBay site, recycled.saved, or check down below. Let us know what you need for your bike. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.